Ulam for today is yan, sinabawang isda. Hindi ko alam yan eh, salmon ba yan? Makinis eh. Or bangus, basta yan siya. And then yung ating kanin. So yan, kain po, kain.
Iisip niya yung araw na hindi siya nakakatulong kay Ate Sue.
Yung sa dami ng ginagawa mo, nagutom ka na. At yan ang napagdiskitahan, pansit canton at saka egg. Pulang-pula yung ano ng egg, no? Sarap. Kain po tayo, kain. Once, nilagang kamote. Yan parang kamote. Nilagang saging at itlog. Oh! Ano? Na alin? Alin? Kamote with skippy. Paubos na yan. Kain. Sarap. Woke up 1 o'clock. And then need to wake up tomorrow 4 o'clock. Diba? Galing, no? Nakakaga akong natulog kasi masakit yung ulo ko. Nagising ako dahil nahihiya ko. Ngayon, tuloy ang tulog. At bukas, maaga tayo.
Sunday duty, paperwork the whole day. 2 clients who inquired. Compliance is done. Slept at around 6 o'clock in the afternoon, then woke up past 1 o'clock. Early in the morning, because I need to pee and back again to poo. Sorry TMI, but it's the truth. Then back to sleep at around 2:30 in the morning.